This is my toolbox. My grandfather made it and I helped.
Welcome to Sawdust Maker. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. It's not going to be the normal build video that I have. I am going to show you kind of like the pre-build phase of the projects that I do. And we'll start off with looking at some detailed sketching. Now these drawings that you see here are mostly my granddaughter. She wanted a toolbox. She kind of had an idea of what she was looking at or wanting to build. And then I kind of helped her out with some of the details. Then I took these drawings over to SketchUp, which you'll see here. And you'll see the process I went through for making the SketchUp model. Okay, now it's time to look at some of the details on the toolbox. And so I'll do a little bit of a close-up so you can see it. We did make a few design changes. As you will notice in the SketchUp version, there were 3 drawers here. I talked her out of having the 3 drawers so that she could have enough room to put some bigger tools in. And we made these trays, which the top one comes out. And as I tilt this, you'll see that there's a fixed tray in here. There would be a few things I'd change if I did this in the future. I tried to make this as light as I could, but it's still pretty heavy as it is, and that's without having anything in it. One of the things I'd change is this bottom and the top of the drawer cavity is made out of 3/4 inch ply. I'd probably change that to 1/2 inch to help cut some of the weight down. Well, that's all for this quick little video. If you liked what I did, I'd appreciate it if you give me a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't subscribed, please press that subscribe button. Also, it would help out if you'd share. So until next time, get out and make some sawdust.